Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford Explorer sunroof leak issue and the possible causes behind it. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. A sunroof leak in the Ford Explorer is commonly described as water entering the cabin near the headliner, dripping from the overhead console, or damp carpets after rain or vehicle washing. Verified owner reports and service information show that sunroof leak concerns have been reported across multiple Ford Explorer model years and generations, with causes varying by sunroof design, drainage layout, vehicle age, and maintenance history. One verified and frequently reported cause is clogged or restricted sunroof drain tubes. Sunroofs are designed with drainage channels that route water away from the opening. Debris buildup in these drains can cause water to overflow into the cabin rather than exit the vehicle properly. Another confirmed cause involves sunroof seal or weather strip deterioration. Over time, rubber seals can harden, shrink, or lose effectiveness due to age and environmental exposure, allowing water to bypass the sealing surface during heavy rain or car washes. Sunroof frame or glass alignment issues have also been documented. If the sunroof glass is not seated correctly or the frame becomes misaligned, water may not be directed into the drainage channels as intended, increasing the likelihood of leaks. Body sealing and roof channel-related concerns are another verified factor. Issues with roof seam sealing, roof rails, or surrounding trim components can allow water to migrate toward the sunroof area and appear as a sunroof leak. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include cracked drain hoses, previous body repairs affecting drainage paths, or interior trim gaps. These should be treated as possibilities and confirmed through proper inspection rather than assumed. Common solutions reported by technicians and owners include clearing sunroof drain tubes, inspecting and replacing worn seals, checking sunroof alignment, and inspecting roof and body sealing areas for water intrusion paths. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and vehicle-specific conditions. Owner feedback trends indicate that many Ford Explorer sunroof leaks are resolved through drain cleaning or seal-related repairs rather than replacement of the entire sunroof assembly. However, outcomes vary by model year, sunroof design, and maintenance history. In conclusion, Ford Explorer sunroof leaks are typically linked to drainage blockages, seal wear, or alignment and body sealing issues. The exact cause differs by vehicle, generation, and model year, making professional diagnosis essential. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.